First time buyers, a huge welcome to Foxhill Road, a very, very convenient location. And I have a 2+1 starter home to share with you today. Victorian property, it's undergone a refurbishment of late, so you're really gonna love it. You won't have to lift a finger moving into this home. You've got some character, you've got loads of convenience. Let's have a look what's local to here first that you can enjoy, and then we'll go in and take a look. Let's go. Good to see you. Come on in, I'll show you around. I'm excited to bring this one because the owners, like I said, have put a lot of energy in making this fresh for you. You can see the redecoration really brightens up this space. We've got character behind me with the fireplace that makes good use either side for storage. And then we have the dining room, conveniently positioned right next to the kitchen. There's no door on the kitchen, so you've got that ability to socialise whilst making some dinner and having friends over. You've got those double doors as well going out onto your garden. Have a look around and I'll meet you up in the bedroom and we'll take a look. So as you can see, the master is a generously sized double bedroom. Off of the master here, you've got these stairs going up to the brilliant loft conversion, which is excellently done. So if you're looking to work from home or you're looking just for another chill out area, this is definitely a great space. Let's go in and check it out. How handy is this? You've got eave storage on both sides as well. So as you can see, a really good sized single room, this second one, with the character fireplace overlooking the garden. Really no maintenance, so you don't have to take that time on the weekends. You just get to kick back and enjoy time with your friends and family, and maybe a barbecue or two when the weather gets a bit better for us. So if you see this as your next family home, we would love to show you around. Just get in contact on the details that will follow, and we look forward to seeing you at one of our open days. Take care.